Dear colleagues, I'm Stavros Gravas. I'm Professor of Urology at the University of Cyprus and General Secretary of SAE. I have the honor and privilege to participate in the 20th Congress of the Urological Association of Asia with a lecture on the challenges in the management of male LUTS. As clinicians, we face every day a challenge: how to select the right treatment for the right patient. Men with LUTS do not represent an homogeneous population. They have different baseline characteristics, different needs, and different preferences. My presentation will focus on the current status of the individualized treatment of male LUTS, including medical and invasive therapies. All the advancements, future directions, and current considerations will be discussed. Therefore, I would like to invite you to join the UAA 23. Thank you and see you in Dubai.